A lot of people will trade options and they'll be like, I don't want to lose money. But there's something that's like 1,000 times worse than losing money. It's losing time. One of the things that I've learned and really internalized over the years is
Before we get rolling here, just a reminder to please like and share our videos. Your support helps us to continue to bring you the wonderful content that we share with you each and every week.
and I said this like 10 years ago, and now it's another 10 years later. It's like 2 decades afterwards. I still get people that contact me and say, hey, remember me? I met you back in 2005 at this seminar. They're still trading options and they're still not making money. There's no reason for that. I see that as tremendously sad. I'm like, what have you been doing for 20 years that you're still not making money? You're just wasting your time. You're like chasing the next trade. I put my money with this guy. I followed this trade alert. This happens because you're falling for deceptive advertising, your trade strategy hopping, you're following trade alerts. So I was so against trade alerts. Maybe I would follow a trade alert if I didn't have any time and I didn't want to think about the market so much. Maybe even I might do something like that, right? But I'm doing it with the knowledge that I'm making a decision on that. It's like I'm not saying, oh, this guy sent an alert and I'm jumping on it and I'm entering the trade. It's like, oh, that's interesting. This person sent an alert. Does this make sense? Am I taking on too much risk? Is this a smart thing to do? I might follow something because I know what I'm doing. I know the context of which I'm doing it. I would never, ever just say, oh, here's an alert. I'm just going to do it without any thought into it. It's foolish. It's like throwing your money in the toilet. And you could be setting yourself up for, especially if you win for a period of time, you could be setting yourself up for a really major disaster. That's the other thing we've seen is we've seen these ETFs, traders who trade other people's money, these little hedge fund firms blow up their account, their followers' accounts really badly. So we want to make sure that you don't get into that. I care about you guys. I want you to make money. I want you to do it safely. I want you to trade well. It kills me when I see people go into these things and they just lose all their money because they're just doing something foolish like just following people and not knowing what they're doing. So always have your own opinion. So instead, I'm urging you, please, if it's not for me, do it some other way. Learn to trade safely and profitably as quickly as that is possible for you. That's the other thing. We're going to ask questions. Well, how long is this going to take me? Well, it could take you 3 months, or it could take you 7 years, or it could take you 25 or 30 years. It depends on whether you're open to following the right concepts, whether you're open to stopping following people trade and actually thinking for yourself. Learn to trade safely and as profitably as quickly as possible.